Hi, my name is Mckenna, and I have been working with Tori for a couple of weeks now. I started working with her because I needed help with trig. I started taking a math course that was kind of expected you to know everything. And instead of reviewing any concepts, it just kind of threw you right in, and it's not something that I had done. So I started to panic because I am a perfectionist and I want, everything to just be the way it should be. And I was really struggling to understand concepts that hadn't been explained to me. And I said, give me whoever you have that is the best with trig. Just anybody. And I was a little nervous because I had never done a tutoring thing before. Luckily, I got Tori. She is very sweet, very understanding, very encouraging, thorough, methodical. She will explain any concept, all concepts, and if you have a problem with a concept or an actual problem, she won't stop until you are comfortable with it and you understand it. And I'm just very grateful and very thankful that she's been able to help me, to teach me, to explain to me things that I don't think I would have figured out on my own. I will freak out a little bit if I don't understand something, and she's like, no, we got this, you got this. And it's very nice to have somebody who is that understanding and also that good at teaching that she can bring you up to higher levels. You don't feel like you're just staying in the same place, new materials getting thrown at you, but you're not learning anything. So I'm thankful for Tori. I would say anybody who's struggling with math, definitely reach out to her because she is a lifesaver. And I don't even know what I would do if it wasn't for her right now. So thank you, Tori.